are trying to test and integrate and build the operating procedures of integrating an armor and mech formation into a light formation. And the reason behind this is with 82nd Airborne, they will be the division that is called on to be able to do a joint forcible entry, to be able to seize key infrastructure that allows for our military to bring to bear key forward responses, and having an armored portion of that makes the likelihood of success that much greater in this current large-scale operational fight.
The training value for our team is we've learned how to sustain ourselves with a light infantry element. We're learning lessons on what we need to bring with us that the 82nd cannot support. We're communicating, we're learning how to fight together. For the company, it's been troop leading procedures, learning how to plan for missions in a hasty fashion in the field, in the fight, to move on to our next and continue fighting forward. The company's done an outstanding job out here, from the defense of Geronimo DZ to getting into the offense last night. The soldiers have done a great job.
We're putting all of the training that we've done the past year together and basically testing my platoon and my squad's capabilities. There's doctrine ways on how to build obstacles and how to breach, but that's not what you're going to run into during combat or out here at these rotations. And being able to roll with the punches and make what we have still work for what our maneuver commander and their battalion commander want from us has been challenging, and my guys have stepped up to the plate and really pulled through and been able to accomplish all the missions that they've been given.
Po sekcích 100 metrů přískoky vpřed, Alfa kryje, bravo vpřed! Rozumím? Hotovo! Sebím!
Pojď! Vydrž ještě kousek, pojď! Pojď, dáme to! Nezdávej to, pojď! Tady slehni.
Kontakt! První hodina! 24!
Jdeme!
Raněný! Levá horní paže! Tak seš na tom, nemotá se ti hlava?
V pohodě. Dobrý dýchání, dobrý?
Jo. Návana!
Tady ta raněná, takže musím si na druhou stranu. Dobře, podívám se ti na břicho, jo? Jo. Vyšetřím ti hrudník. Dobrý. Dobrý. Bok máme dobrý. Na hrudník, jo?
Jo.
Tak, první jsme na jeden bok. Tak, bok je dobrý.
Mám.
Si tě přebere, neboj se.
Mám.
Si tě přebere, neboj se. Zbyňo! No, bolí. Dobrý, Veďo, tříká ti to tady.
Jo. Kontakt, první hodina, 2 střelci. Kontakt. Dále domů. Mám.
Si tě přebere, neboj se. Bolí. Dobrý, Veďo, tříká ti to tady.
Jo. Kontakt, první hodina, 2 střelci. Kontakt.
Line 2, Quebec Lima 26, line 3, Alpha 4, Jo, mám. Rozumím.
4, 2, 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, 5, 0, 0. Line 2. Line 2. Quebec Lima 2, 6. Line 3. Alpha 4. Line...
Hoď. Tak. Tak. Dej se poslať.
Da ist Bewegung. Warte.
OICR. 569-748.
569-748.
Battalion commander wants a weather report.
Alright, so this is pit 1. Are we clear to shoot?
Outlaw, you in the pattern?
Oh my god.
Destination pit 1, you're clear. Watch your left and right.
Roger, solid.
So you see that ground that's straight ahead, it was literally level with the top the entire time.
When I was going around it, just wasn't picking it up between that little cross.
Wing flash. In a second, it's gonna bank again. See right there, banking?
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh.
Alright, watch it. Get it on that bank when it turns.
Actually, that was bullshit.